Alright, so today we're going to be doing a range test with my DJI Mini SE. I've made some new range extenders that I am testing out today. So, 10 satellites, full RC signal.
The home point has been updated.
100%,
please check it on the map.
100% battery, and let's take it out because I got to go to work.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, let's go. Put it in sport mode really quick. There we go. $270 meters now. 280. Go up to the height limit, 120 meters. And there's 120 meters high. And we're 600 meters now. Full RC signal, 12 satellites. Coming up on 800 meters now. No interference as yet. My battery power is diminishing very quickly for some reason. I don't know why. I'm down to 89% power, 88. We're at 1,000 meters now. Let's check our position on the drone. Make sure we're facing it directly. Yep, it is going straight out because there is no wind today. So let's go back to the picture. 1,200 meters. 13. $1,500 meters now. Full RC signal. Down to 81% power. We got a weak signal now. Okay, there we go. Let's just continue up. Flight height. Let's bring it down to 120. There we go. Remote controller signal may be blocked. There we go. We still says weak signal. So this range extender that I made must not be working properly. Okay, there we go. Still have aircraft signal interference. We're at 1,800 meters. Continue forward. I'm going to take it up. I'm going to take it up higher. There we go. 2,000 meters now. Let's make sure that we're facing the drone. I'm full stick forward. Yep, we are facing the drone perfectly. So let's go back to the picture. Oh, weak signal again. Straighten these out. There we go. Continuing forward. Oh, still again. Okay, we've got the signal back again. Continuing forward. Okay, I'm going to go higher. It says aircraft signal interference, I don't know why. Continuing forward. $2,500 meters now. %, battery. Wind is coming back at me, so we'll have the wind going to our backs on the way back. Oh, aircraft signal interference. Let's see if we can get it back. There it is. Continuing forward. $3,000 meters seems to be the magic number. I'm going to see if we can't go past that today. Coming up to 3,000 meters. There's 3,000 meters, weak signal. It just doesn't want to seem to get to go to that 3,000 meters. It's like it's a magical mark or something. I don't know. Yeah, we've got a blocked signal now completely. There it is. We got it back. And we are at 3,000 meters. I'm not sure if I want to push it any farther. Okay, we've got full RC strength again.
Battery level is low.
Yeah, no,
the
we're not
aircraft
returning.
will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
No. No. Trying to cancel it. Cancel.
Go home.
Okay, it's coming back. Not because I want it to. We're just going to let it come back. I am going to cancel return to home, and I'm going to take control of it. We are in the weak signal again. And canceling return to home. And here we are. I'm going to go ahead and bring it back on my own. So even with these range extenders, 3,000 meters is the maximum for this DJI Mini SE. I don't know why it's giving me low battery signal at 58% battery. Maybe it's because it knows that's how far it needs to come back, and it is. I don't think that weak signal bullshit again. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. We've got the signal. It's coming back. I'm leaving it in sport mode. I know it burns up battery, but I want to get it back here quick because I have to be at work in 20 minutes. So there's another aircraft signal interference. It just, if I move it around, when it tells me that if I move my controller around and then center it back on the drone, it works pretty well doing it that way. 1,900 meters now on the return. Right in the middle of the screen, that's where we're headed back to. The very center of the screen, I believe. That's us. We have a wind now coming from the north against me, so it's probably going to blow her to the side a little bit. Let's check our direction here. Yeah, it's coming right back to us. So, but it is being blown a little bit to the south. So. Bring it back on course. There we go. Okay, straighten it out a little bit. That's us right in the center of the screen. Don't have any time for messing around when I come back. No flying around when I come back today. I gotta put this thing up and head into work. So let's start bringing her down. 760 meters now. Here comes that wind from the north. See it getting blown to the side there. Bring it back into trajectory there. Well, let me gimbal down a little bit. continue bringing it down to about 60 meters until you get to where I'm at. You should be seeing me here in a moment. Okay, that's 60 meters. Let's continue to bring her down right over the top of this building. I'm going to bring it to the middle of the square over there. Alright, here she comes. Bring her down. Gimbal down. There it is. Alright, come on over. And let's bring it down and land it.
Landing.
Alright, perfect landing. Shutting everything down.